All right, everyone. Today we're doing a deep dive into NEET 2025.
That's right.
And, a lot of you out there are probably already
Yeah,
super stressed,
absolutely.
already studying really hard.
Yeah.
But we're going to go beyond that today.
Mhm.
We're going to take a look at some stuff that came out in a recent video
Yes.
from an expert on NEET prep.
Right.
And we're going to look at, when you can expect that application to come out.
Yes.
What do you need to have ready for the application?
All the right stuff.
And then also, is there a secret weapon that this expert is gonna reveal to all of you?
Let's do it.
So let's jump into it right away.
Sounds good.
First up is the application release date.
Yeah.
When can we expect
Okay.
to see this thing?
The NTA hasn't officially announced the release date yet,
Oh, bummer.
but there have been reports in the media
Oh,
suggesting that it could be released as early as January 31st. Or within the first week of February 2025.
So pretty much any day now, it could.
Yeah, you really got to
Fucking peeled.
I mean, I'm already refreshing my inbox like every 5 minutes.
I know.
Just waiting for it.
Exactly.
Well, at least we do have a confirmed date for the exam itself.
That's right.
Which is
May 4th, 2025. So
locked in.
that is set in stone.
Mark your calendars.
So everybody listening out there, mark your calendars right now.
Do it.
May 4th, 2025.
You got it.
That is when this thing is happening. So
that's when it all goes down.
Start planning accordingly.
Absolutely.
Get your study schedule together.
Mm-hmm.
Now, as far as the format and the syllabus goes this year, are we looking at any changes?
No changes.
Same old, same old?
Same format as previous years.
Oh, fantastic.
45 questions per section.
This is great news, I think, for all the students out there.
Yeah.
Because it means that you can really just
focus
on the content.
Yeah, you got it.
You don't need to be worried about
exactly.
Oh, is it going to be this kind of question or that kind of question?
Exactly. Just
pure content.
Pure content. Yeah. All right, so let's talk about the documents that you need to have ready.
This is important.
For the application.
Yeah.
What are we looking at here?
All right, so you're going to need passport and postcard size photos.
Okay.
You'll need a scanned copy of your signature.
Got it.
And get this, you need impressions of both your left and right thumb.
Whoa.
Don't forget your Class 10 certificate as proof of your date of birth.
Yeah, that's a pretty important one.
It is.
And I imagine you also need something to verify your permanent address.
Absolutely.
It's funny because I've heard stories of students who show up on exam day.
Oh, no.
And they've forgotten one of their documents. I can't even imagine.
No, and it's just
total disaster.
A total meltdown,
Yeah.
So it's really important.
It's really key to just
to have all this stuff
be prepared,
ready to go, organized, well in advance.
Absolutely.
And also another thing that I know a lot of people forget about is
this is a big one.
Their Aadhaar card.
Yes, the Aadhaar card. Make sure it's updated.
Yeah.
With a linked and active phone number.
Yeah.
Your current photo. And your email ID.
That's a good point.
Yeah. Got to have all those details up to date.
It's like when you're going on a trip.
Right. Make sure your passport's valid.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You don't want any surprises at the airport.
You don't want to get to the airport and they're like,
no.
I'm sorry, this is expired.
Yeah.
You can't go on your trip.
Exactly.
Nobody wants that.
Good.
All right. Now let's switch gears a little bit.
Okay.
And talk about
some study strategies.
Yes.
Because this expert that we mentioned earlier actually revealed
a secret.
A pretty cool resource.
Yes.
Called the Insert Recall Series.
You heard that right.
And
it launches on February 1st.
I'm really intrigued by this.
It's designed to help you.
Tell me more about it.
Really dig deep into the insert textbooks.
Oh, wow.
But not in a passive way.
Okay.
We're talking line-by-line analysis.
Interesting.
With all sorts of question types.
So it's not just skimming through the book.
Not at all.
It's
you're going to be
really being put to the test.
Actively engaging.
Exactly.
With the material.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, I think we all know that.
For sure.
Just reading something passively doesn't really help you retain it.
Yeah. You really got to engage with it.
You got to
make it your own.
Make it your own. Exactly.
Yeah.
So what kind of question types are we talking about here? You've got your topic-wise questions.
Okay.
Assertion reason questions. True or false.
Got it.
Fill in the blanks. Even diagram-based questions.
Wow.
It's about approaching the material.
That's awesome.
From all angles.
I love that multi-pronged approach.
Multi-pronged.
You know, and I've read studies that show that when you look at something from multiple angles, it really helps you remember it.
Yeah, it cements it in your memory.
It cements it in your memory, exactly.
Plus, it caters to different learning styles.
Well, that's a good point.
Right? Some people are visual learners. Some people are more auditory.
Some people learn by doing.
Exactly. So this series, it really covers all the bases.
I like it.
Yeah.
So where does the series begin?
Okay. So they're starting with class 12 topics.
Okay.
Which is great.
Why is that?
Because it aligns with what most students are already focusing on for their board exams.
That makes a lot of sense.
Right.
Kill two birds with one stone.
Exactly.
You know,
efficient.
Super efficient.
Yeah.
And then they're going to move on to class 11 material.
That's right.
After that.
After they've covered all the class 12 topics.
Got it.
Yeah.
Now 30 days to cover the entire syllabus.
I know.
That is ambitious.
That's a commitment.
That is a serious commitment.
It is.
So for those of you who are up for the challenge.
If you're ready, this is like
it's like a boot camp.
An intensive
30 days. Bam!
It's gonna be
a NEET master.
Could be huge.
By the end of it.
Exactly.
So for those of you who are
ready to take the plunge.
Ready to join the boot camp.
Where do you sign up?
You got to head over to their Telegram channel.
Oh, okay.
It's at Educon.
Educon.
Educon. Yeah. All right. Write that down, everybody.
You can download all the question bank PDFs there.
Oh, wow. So they have like all the materials there.
All the materials, and you'll stay updated on the schedule.
Okay.
So you won't miss a beat.
I know a lot of students really thrive.
Oh, yeah.
In that kind of community environment.
For sure.
You know?
It's motivating.
It's motivating.
You can learn from each other.
You can learn from each other.
It's a great way to stay on track.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So to recap.
Okay.
Application window is coming up soon.
It is.
Get those documents together.
Yep. Get organized.
The exam date is set. May 4th.
No surprises there.
No surprise.
May 4th, 2025.
You got it.
And then for a potential game changer.
Yeah.
In your study strategy, check out that Insert Recall series.
Absolutely.
And here's Expert left us with a really interesting question.
I love this
to think about.
It is. If you could ask the person who created the NEET exam.
Just one question to get a strategic advantage.
Like, what would give you an edge?
What would it be?
What would it be?
What would you ask?
I love that.
It's a good one.
It's a really good question.
It is.
So everybody listening.
Yeah. Think about it.
Think about that. You know? And maybe share your answers.
Share your answers.
To the community.
On Telegram.
On the Telegram channel.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's all the time we have for this deep dive.
Sad to see you go.
But best of luck.
Yes.
To everyone out there.
Best of luck.
On your NEET journey.
We're rooting for you.
And we'll be back with more deep dives.
Way here.
As we get closer to the exam.
Yep.
All right, everyone.
See ya.
Take care.
Bye.